When you have a graphic that you need to use repeatedly in multiple documents, such as a logo, a branding element, or any other visuals, it's time to use assets. I have my logo here, and I want to save it as asset. So I go to Window, General, and click Assets. The Assets panel pop up. Now I can select the logo, click the drop-down option on the panel, and select Add from Selection. Beside adding from the option box, I can also drag the logo directly to the Assets panel. Let me undo the asset by removing it first. Then I drag the logo to the Assets panel. Now the logo is saved as asset. If I open a new document, I can simply drag the logo from the Assets panel onto the artboard. It saves me a lot of time when designing. Now let's go back to the previous document. You can save any visuals as assets. I can draw a shape and add it as an asset. I can also add an image as asset. Let me search from the stock first. Okay, I think I'll take this one. And I simply drag the image onto the assets panel and it becomes an asset. I can also add a symbol as an asset. Let me remove this from the artboard first and also delete this from the assets panel. Now I want to convert this logo into a symbol. Go to Window, Factor, and Symbols to bring up the Symbols panel. Then select the logo and click Create. The logo is now a symbol. Then I drag it to the Assets panel. This logo is now a symbol and an asset. So if I remove the logo from the artboard and also remove the one stored in the Symbols panel, I can bring it back from the Assets panel. Notice it also appears in the Symbols panel. It works when I open a new document too. Drag the asset onto the artboard. It still is a symbol, making it so convenient when working on a design. And that's how you work with assets. I hope it's useful for you. And as always, thanks for watching and bye.